Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
mixer parts accessories.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Prepare more food with less effort using the all-new multitasking KitchenAid food processor attachment. Dice onions and peppers in seconds for salsa with the perfect consistency. Evenly slice fresh vegetables without a cutting board, as thick or delightfully thin as your recipe requires. Julienne potatoes into delicious breakfast hash browns. Top off tacos with freshly shredded cheese. With dishwasher safe discs, the options will keep you busy, but cleanup won't. Precision meets possibilities, right on your countertop.
So I'm very excited because I have this dough hook that I'm going to be able to demonstrate for you. I'm going to unpackage it, and I actually have my dough hook too, we can compare it to. I have a 6-quart KitchenAid mixer, so I'll be able to compare all of those. And so we're going to unpackage this really quick here. It is a stainless steel. Doesn't have any coating on it, and so it's going to be great for, it's not going to rust or anything. This is packaged nicely with a little shiny hook here. I'll show it to you in comparison to the other one, but yeah, it's going to be stainless steel and it's not going to rust. It's going to be really easy to clean. So in comparison, here is my other dough hook. It's the exact same size. I'll lay it next to each other, but it's literally the exact same size. It's identical. And this is the one that came with my KitchenAid mixer. And this is the one that I'm reviewing right now. So both super similar. So if you were looking for something comparable, compatible to the KitchenAid, I'm going to put it on for you. It's very simple, and it just locks into place. And I'll show you a closer view of that in just a second, but it's super easy to put on. And I'm gonna whip up a batch of cookies too, so you can see how it all works. These are the comparison side-by-side dough hooks. This is the KitchenAid. This is the one that we're looking at today. Give you a little bit more of a close-up of this one. And we'll go bake some cookies.
How to spiralize with your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. With a secured attachment on your KitchenAid stand mixer and the skewer and fruit or vegetable in place, install the peeler first if using it while spiralizing, by sliding it into the bottom of the blade carrier until it clicks into place. Insert either the extra fine, or medium spiralizing blade into the holder at the top. Pull the release lever, then push the blade carrier towards the stand mixer and align the blade core with the center of your food. Press the blade core into the fruit or vegetable for added stability. Move the lever to the stir speed, then gradually increase it to speed 4. Choose the extra fine spiralizing blade for carrots and radishes, the fine spiralizing blade for zucchini and beets, or use the medium spiralizing blade for zucchini, sweet potatoes, and butternut squash. The Spiralizer with peel attachment on your KitchenAid stand mixer and the in place by sliding it into the bottom of the blade carrier until it clicks into place. The spiralizing blade into the holder at the top towards the stand mixer with the center of your food. Move the lever to the stir speed to speed 4. The fine spiralizing blade for zucchini and beets, or with peel new creations in your kitchen. From KitchenAid.
Shh.